Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for men's health: Prostastream supplements. If you're curious about improving your prostate health and overall well-being, you're in the right place. Stick around to learn everything you need to know about Prostastream supplements and how they can benefit you. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the basics. What exactly are Prostastream supplements? Prostastream is a powerful natural supplement specifically designed to support prostate health. It's packed with a blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts that work together to promote a healthy prostate and improve urinary function. Whether you're looking to maintain your current health or address specific concerns, Prostastream could be the solution you've been searching for. Prostastream includes ingredients like saw palmetto, graviola leaf, Japanese mushroom trio, and other plant-based compounds. These ingredients are known for their ability to support prostate health and improve urinary function. Now let's talk about the benefits of Prostastream supplements. Here are some key advantages you can expect. Supports prostate health. Helps maintain a healthy prostate, reducing the risk of common prostate issues. Improves urinary function. Reduces frequent urination and promotes better bladder control. Boosts overall well-being. Contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory ingredients that support overall health. Natural ingredients. Made from a blend of high-quality natural ingredients without any harmful chemicals. These benefits make Prostastream a fantastic addition to your daily health routine. Imagine no more waking up multiple times during the night or dealing with constant discomfort. How to choose the right Prostastream supplement. First, check the ingredients. Look for supplements with natural, clinically proven ingredients. Next, read reviews. See what other users are saying about the product. Also, consult with a healthcare professional. Always a good idea to get personalized advice. And consider your specific needs. Choose a supplement that addresses your particular health concerns. Doing your research and consulting with a healthcare professional can ensure you choose a product that best suits your needs. And don't forget to read the reviews. Real user experiences can be incredibly insightful. Prostastream supplements versus other prostate health products. How does Prostastream stack up against other prostate health products? Let's break it down. First, ingredients. Prostastream uses natural, high-quality ingredients, while some other products may contain synthetic additives. Next, effectiveness. Many users report significant improvements with Prostastream compared to mixed reviews for other supplements. And safety. Prostastream is known for its safety profile with fewer reported side effects. When you're choosing a prostate health supplement, these factors are crucial to consider. Prostastream often stands out as a reliable, effective option that doesn't compromise on quality. Don't just take my word for it, let's hear from some real users. Here are a few testimonials from men who have experienced the benefits of Prostastream. John D. says, "Prostastream has changed my life. My urinary issues have improved drastically." Michael S. shares, "I feel more energetic and healthy since I started taking Prostastream." Paul R. comments, "This supplement really works. I recommend it to all my friends." These testimonials highlight the positive impact Prostastream can have on your health. Real people, real results. It's as simple as that. So there you have it, everything you need to know about Prostastream supplements and how they can benefit you. If you're ready to take control of your prostate health and improve your overall well-being, why wait? Click the link in the description to buy Prostastream now and start your journey to better health today. Thanks for watching.